Here's how I pack a large doll collection for a long-distance move. First, I get these flour sack towels from Walmart. They're little white towels you can get in the kitchen section, and I do cut the little tags off because I don't want the ink imprinting on my dolls. Then I will swaddle them up. With a smaller doll, it takes one. With a bigger doll, I might use 2 towels. Then I will cover them completely in bubble wrap and make sure they are a very secure little bubble wrapped package so nothing bad can happen. Then I'll put them in these tubs that I get from Walmart and Target. I do cover the bottom of the tubs with my doll clothes. I tend to have a lot of doll clothes in this safe space in the truck, as well as money on bubble wrap. I can generally fit 3 to 4 in a tub, depending on how big they are, and then I will cover them again with more doll clothes. I do tend to shake them out so they're not folded because they just seem to cushion better that way. These are the tubs. They do zip tie on the sides and they stack quite nicely, so they're really good for putting in a moving truck. And here are several, and believe it or not, I have several more to go.